So that's it about this little video in the beginning. So I'm gonna go and pack these things up. Oh my god, look at here, a lot of stuff. Alright, there was no such a problem with batteries. I'm gonna tell you soon, and I'm gonna give you a quick tip when you have a lot of stuffs and your baggage might be overweighted. Okay, see you soon. Alright, I'm here. Just first of all, a quick tip about the batteries is no problem with the batteries. I had many batteries. I had 4 DJI drone, Mavic Zoom 2 batteries. I had 9 batteries of Geon Crane. I had 18 batteries of Canon. I had 20 AA and 24A. I had 2 huge batteries of my LCD. I have 6 batteries, lithium batteries for the flashes. So just one 3 kg bag full of battery. No problem. You can only have it in the carry-on bag with you. Get it to the plane, okay? This is very important. Just remember something. I had very bad day. One day I remember, maybe 3 years ago, in Suvarnabhumi airport, and the problem was the overweight bags that I had. Here's the things. So you need to check it out with your airline. If it's like 20 kg, 25 kg, whatever it is, you can carry 25, right? You can leave it in the airplane. But if it's more and you just come to the counter to check in, while you're checking in, you gotta pay, I think, $8, $10 per kg. If that 20 kg becomes 30 kg, and you cannot do anything with it. So 4 hours before boarding, you need to declare everything, or you can buy your round trip, because with what I'm going, I'm gonna come back again, right? So it will be the same weight. So you gotta buy like extra kg as well. But when you are checking in and you're doing it, it becomes a huge money. I remember I paid like 4,000 baht, like $150 something that day. But if you know that you're gonna have overweight luggages, you will be absolutely fine if you do it 4 hours at least before the boarding time. So keep this in your mind. This is something super important. Otherwise, it's gonna deduct from the amount that your client paid to you, because you're not responsible for your, yeah. All right, finally here. So usually this is the hard part. A lot of stuff's going on, right? So I am in my resort right now. All right, here is what you need to know. When you come, first of all, back there is where I'm staying, and there is the venue. You gotta do it this way, or you're gonna stay where your client is. For me, that one works better. I want my privacy too. What I'm doing right now, I am walking right here under this sun and these beautiful clouds and this scenery. Oh my god, oh my god. I am walking toward the venue. I walk, I don't take motorbike or anything. Every single detail here for me really matter. I just went up on the pier and I saw beautiful jellyfishes, you know. That is gonna work on our video so bad. Okay, here is some of the setups. Like you see, really make a difference. even my client doesn't know that I am here, and I'm here right now. Take a look at stuff. They don't know, so don't need to disturb them. All right, finally the event. See how different it becomes. Here is our videographer, Mr. Hong, getting ready on the phone. Some sort of stops we have. A lot of things here. Is it here? No, I am just recording video. Yeah. See you guys soon. So as you can see, here is the second day. I really didn't have that much time to set things up. Record video for you guys. Anyway, we're here right now and we're just getting started. I have a kick light at the back, and then I have my field light here because they want to take a photo here. So this is how I set it up also. Let's go to bride and groom. Hello. I'm recording a little bit video for you guys. Okay. So far so good? Yeah. Okay. We're gonna start with taking photo there. Yep. I already set the light, everything.